So there is also this sign nearby, and it is a prized historic site. Alright, welcome back to another hiking adventure. I'm going to start off by taking a quick trail up to this Beehive hut. We are then going to come back out, walk down an old road, see what we can find down there. So first, we're going to head up this trail toward what they call the Beehive hut. I'll talk more about that and what that means when you get up to it. Alright, so I'm continuing down the trail. Come up to these nice, impressive outcroppings. Check out those trees growing out of the side. That is hardy. That is some impressive work by those trees to grow out of there. Alright, so we're going to keep on going down the trail. Alright. We have come up to it. There it is, what they call the Beehive hut. As you can see on this plaque, it says, of unknown age and origin. So there are hundreds of these structures scattered throughout the woods of the northeastern U.S. There are hundreds all over. And no one is able to exactly determine who built them, when, or why they were built. Some say that these are colonial root cellars from the 17 and 1800s, where others say that they are ancient structures that are hundreds and hundreds of years old, maybe even thousands of years old. There are many theories about why they were built, but like I said, no one knows exactly why, by who, or why, or when they were built, but many of them have astrological significance, that they line up with the stars and solstices. And people have been researching these and doing a lot of work on structures like these. But it's very interesting. So there is also this sign nearby, and it is a prized historic site. There's one more look at it. It's very interesting. One of the biggest mysteries of the forests of New England right there. And it's a mystery that probably won't be solved anytime soon, but it's very interesting to think about who built this, when they built it, and why they built it. Alright, so I have come back down the trail to the Beehive hut, and we are now going to walk down this old road. For whatever reason, I could not really find any information on this road, but it is known for some reason as Bedbug Road. So we're going to walk down this road, see what we can find. There was an old settlement along this road. So we come up to a wetland that's mostly dried out. See, there's a very old stone wall in there. You can probably just barely see it. A little bit of evidence of the previous settlement, and I'll tell you what, bug spray is a must if you want to come walking down this road. Yikes. Glad I put some on. It's a tiny little stream working through. We are in a bit of a drought here. Alright, so we're going to keep on going up the road. And as we continue down the road, we pan off this way. And there it is, in memory of George Henry Carter, 1871 to 1952, who loved this road and whose ashes are a part of it. That's very interesting. There is a modern road off that way that is called the G.H. Carter Drive. So there is a little memorial out here in the middle of the woods. Always interesting to find a memorial out in the middle of the woods. He did apparently love Bedbug Road. Apparently so much so that he had his ashes spread along the road. See the heron out there? This is a very secluded little pond here. Sorry, there was a bug on the camera. Obviously, this is once again another bug haven here, but very nice. Little wetland. There goes the heron. So I wonder if this rock wall here was some kind of dam or a retaining wall to help keep the water from flooding the road back when the road was in use. It's starting to leak now, but that's what I'm thinking. And we've come up to a T-junction in the rock walls. It's probably hard to see on the camera, but there's the junction right there, so this perhaps some kind of boundary in colonial times, or wall as part of a farm. Alright, well, I am back at the Beehive hut sign. So that was an interesting little hike. Now, if you think about it, between the Beehive hut, the old stone walls, and that memorial, we may have just walked through 1,000+ years of history right there. So, that is certainly interesting. That was a nice little walk down an old road. So, I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.